Hey guys, I'm Siddhartha welcoming you to a new video. If you are also a chocolate lover, then try this recipe for 101%. In this video, I'm going to share the chocolate pudding recipe as well as 3 different style of decoration. But before starting the video, if you have not subscribed yet, then please press on the subscribe button so that you will get the latest notification once I upload the video. To prepare the chocolate pudding, you have to collect the following ingredients. Already I have boiled the milk, now just heat for 2 minutes and first add the sugar as it takes more time to dissolve. After that add the rice flour and stir it continuously in such a way that it will not get any lumps. After 3 to 4 minutes add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Here I did one mistake. Instead of pouring the cocoa powder directly like this, take the milk and make a fine paste of the cocoa powder and after that add the paste to the milk. This it will be easy to mix. After that here I am adding 1 tablespoon of Horlicks and 2 tablespoons of stored malai. It would be recommended to take the fresh malai, but as I don't have, that's why here I have used the stored one. Now mix it well and add a pinch of salt. Now add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, but it's totally optional. To make the pudding more shiny, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Now give it a quick mix and off the flame. It's been 15 minutes, it's almost get cool and here you can see the consistency. Now take a container and strainer. To make the pudding flawless, shiny and good texture, you have to strain it like this. This process took bit more time as I have used the tea strainer, but if you have the big one, then it will hardly take 2 minutes. Isn't it looking good? If yes, then try this at home and send me the pic through Instagram. And after straining it out, whatever the leftover, here I kept in another bowl. And don't worry, we will not throw it out, just transfer this paste to a grinding jar, add some milk and make a fine paste. Here the paste is ready, now just repeat the process. Here I am done with the process, now just have a look on the structure, how lovely this is looking like. और मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि अभी की अभी खा जाऊं. Unfortunately, I can't eat as I have promised I will show 3 different style of decoration. For the first process, here I have took 1 matka which is just a teacup. Up to the half added the chocolate mixture and after that we'll add the grated coconut. Instead of coconut, you can add paneer as well. Now again fill it with the chocolate mixture. Finally at the top again add some grated coconut. That's it, here our coconut chocolate pudding is ready to refrigerate. For the second process, here I am taking the roadside wala chai cup. Up to the half fill it with the chocolate mixture and take a cream biscuit like this. Now remove the cream and place it in the middle. And after that again fill it with the chocolate mixture. Now crush the biscuit like this and place the crushed biscuit over it. And with this, here our Oreo chocolate pudding is ready to refrigerate. For the third one, here I am taking a small bowl and filling with the chocolate mixture. To decor this, here I am taking the crushed dry fruit. And whatever the leftover chocolate mixture, I have just decorated with the chocolate pieces. And with this, here our dry fruit wala chocolate pudding is also ready to refrigerate. Now keep them in fridge for 5 hours. Don't keep more than 5 hours in refrigerator, or else instead of chocolate pudding they will turn into chocolate ice cream. If you like the video, then please press on the like button. It's totally free of cost but means a lot to me. As well as don't forget to share the video with your friends and family through social media.